Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Earth and Space Science test? This is test number 5572. Praxis 5572 is an exam with several subtopics. This problem set covers the subtopic of Earth's hydrosphere and atmosphere. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. Snow changing from ice to a gaseous vapor is an example of which of the following parts of the water cycle? Sublimation, condensation, precipitation, or evaporation. Beginning there. This is the process where liquid turns into gas, which does not apply to snow changing directly from solid to gas, so we can eliminate that. Precipitation. This involves any form of water falling from the sky, not the change from solid to gas. So this is also incorrect. Condensation. This is the process where gas turns into a liquid and not relevant to snow turning into vapor. So we can eliminate that as well. Sublimation. This is the process by which a solid changes directly into a gas without passing through the liquid state. When snow turns into vapor, it exemplifies sublimation. Therefore, sublimation is the correct answer. Problem number 2. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of different layers. Which of the following is the outermost layer of the atmosphere? The troposphere, the exosphere, the mesosphere, or the thermosphere? The thermosphere is the fourth layer located above the mesosphere and below the exosphere, but not the outermost layer. So we can eliminate that. The mesosphere, this is the third layer located above the stratosphere and below the thermosphere. So this is not correct. Going to the troposphere. This is the lowest layer of the atmosphere where weather occurs. So that is not the correct answer either. Exosphere. This is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere extending from the top of the thermosphere to the edge of outer space. And therefore this is the correct answer. Problem number 3. Which of the following greenhouse gases increases its presence in the atmosphere as temperature increases? Carbon dioxide. Its concentration increases mainly due to human activities like burning fossil fuels, not directly because of temperature increases. So we can eliminate that answer. Methane. It is released from sources like wetlands and livestock, and while temperature can affect its release from natural sources, it is not as directly tied to atmospheric temperature as water vapor. So this is not the correct answer either. Nitrous oxide. Its levels are primarily influenced by agricultural activities and industrial processes, not directly by temperature changes. So this is incorrect as well. Water vapor. As temperature increases, the rate of evaporation from bodies of water also increases, leading to a higher concentration of water vapor in the atmosphere. This creates a positive feedback loop as water vapor itself is a potent greenhouse gas. Therefore, water vapor is the correct answer. Problem number 4. Which of the following is a primary cause of coral bleaching? Too much plankton in the ocean. This is actually not a known cause of coral bleaching, so we can eliminate that. A lack of food for zooxanthellae. The zooxanthellae provide food to the corals, not the other way around. Bleaching occurs due to the loss of these algae, not their lack of food. So this is also not the correct answer. Skipping to increased salinity. While changes in salinity can stress corals, it's not the primary cause of bleaching. So we can cross that out as well. Increased water temperatures. Elevated temperatures stress corals. causing them to expel the symbiotic zooxanthellae algae living in their tissues. This loss of algae, which provides the coral with food through photosynthesis, leads to the whitening or bleaching of the coral. Therefore, this is the correct answer. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of Earth's hydrosphere and atmosphere for the Praxis 5572 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.